Hey everybody! Welcome to another episode of First Tries Cooking, and today we're going to sous vide a couple of pork tenderloins. This is our first time doing cooking those with the sous vide method, and these guys are going to be doing most of the work. And once they are cooked, we're going to cook them at 135 degrees for about 2 hours. And after they're cooked, we're going to throw them on the grill to get them a nice sear. They probably won't look very good when they come out, as most things don't when you cook them sous vide. But we're going to give it a shot, so just stay tuned and see how this goes. Okay, we've got a couple of pork tenderloins here. I've got them all trimmed up, pretty much the way we like it, silver skin removed. And now we are going to bag them and get them in the water. So here we go. All right, so I forgot to say that we are going to put some rub on here. It's actually called Guga Rub. It's not something that you can buy in stores, but I will put a link to the video of how to make it in the description down below. So go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and start sprinkling on some of this rub. Kind of try and get it all over the sides, and the top and the bottom.
Is that good enough?
Sorry, I've got an old garlic powder container. And just get a good helping of it on there. It's hard to put too much of this on there. It tastes really good. All right, so we're going to finish up seasoning this and we're going to throw it in the bag. Be back. All right, we've got our pork tenderloins in a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. I don't have a vacuum sealer, so we're just going to use the water displacement method. So if you could show us how that is done, sir. We've got it about halfway sealed already to let the air out. We're going to put it down in the water here. And what this does is it pushes the air out, because obviously air is lighter than water. And he's going to poke out a little bit just to help any air bubbles that might be down in there.
Seal?
Get it down a little bit further. Get it almost down to the water line.
Okay, ready? Is that good?
A little bit further. A little bit further. Yeah, right about there.
Now seal?
So basically we're just getting it all the way down to where the zipper part is. So yeah, go ahead and seal it.
All right, take it out.
Yep, go ahead and take it out. Let's see how it looks. Okay, yep, see, it's a pretty good seal around it. Not too bad. We've got 2 in there.
Yep.
I didn't individually wrap them, but anyway, so from here we're gonna turn on the sous vide maker or cooker and get the water heating up. All right, we're back. We're going to turn this thing on. All right, let's do this. So we're going to push the power button. On this particular model, this is how you do it. So push that. We're going to turn it. Okay, so it looks like it's already turned to Fahrenheit. Normally we have to change that because it starts at Celsius. So we're going to push and hold the temperature button until it blinks. Go ahead. And we're going to turn the dial to 135. Right there. And push the temperature button one more time to set it. And then we wait until this light turns green, and then the water will be at 135 degrees. And we'll get the tenderloins and put them in there and let them cook for a couple of hours. So we'll be back. All right, so these tenderloins have been cooking sous vide for 2 hours at 135 degrees, which should make them a little over medium rare. Like I said, I'm going to put them on the grill to finish them off, sear them. Obviously, they don't look great right now. They smell great, but don't look all that good. But the searing will take care of that and add a little bit more flavor. We'll cook them just a little bit more as well. So as always, when you want to get a good sear on some meat, you want to pat it dry, so you got a little bit of moisture on there. And so yeah, hang with us and we'll get these on the grill.
You like it? Yeah. Let's have some fun.
Alright, we got it all cooked up here, nice and seared, still steaming a little bit. I've let it let it rest for a little while. So let's take a look, cut it and see what it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty juicy. You can see the juices on it. So we're gonna cut into these and give it a taste test. All right, well, we just finished a delicious dinner. At least I thought so. What did you guys think?
It was amazing. It was
That doesn't sound choreographed at all, did it?
It was amazingly delicious.
Lily, what did you think?
It was juicy on the inside and kind of squishy, but it was really good.
But it was really good. What about you, Grant?
Honestly, every bite was juicy delight.
Yeah.
It was so good.
And I think our dog liked it.
Yeah, that's true. Noelle did like it. In fact, she's barking to get out.
I'll get it.
So yeah, I've grilled a bunch of tenderloins in my life, and that was come here, girl. That was she's 16 years old. She's a little weak in the legs right now, but she's good. So anyway, yeah, I've grilled a lot of tenderloins in my life, but using the sous vide cooker first. Oh my gosh, just cooking it. I don't like it rare or medium rare or anything like that. I like it a little more on the well done side on the inside. But cooking it just over medium rare and then searing the outside just cooked it perfectly. Like they said, it was just real juicy, real soft, tender. Pretty amazing. So yeah, thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please subscribe if you like.
Smash that like button, smack that subscribe button, and kick that notification bell.
Kick it.
Kick it.
Thanks, guys. See you next time.
Bye.